What's up, guys? Sorry I haven't really vlogged. For when it's just you and me. Sorry I haven't really vlogged today. I have been just like rushing around all day. My trainer couldn't work out today, so he was like, oh, can you do cardio on your own? And I was like, yeah, totally. And it's 6 p.m. and I haven't gone to the gym yet. I'm kind of like, well, it's gonna be really crowded right now, so maybe I'll go later, or maybe I'll just go tomorrow. So I wanted to talk to you guys about a couple things. I uploaded week 4's vlog last night. I've been a little bit shy about talking about alcohol and binge eating, even though it's something that's a struggle for me. I'm actually really glad that I did talk about it, because a lot of people are sharing their own experiences with binge eating, and I'd say honestly it's like my biggest thing that I struggle with. So I'm really glad that I put it out there, and I think that doing this series is gonna be a huge help for me. I really want to get a professional, like a nutritionist, to be a part of my vlog and just talk to us about keto and the health effects and whatever, all the information, because I mean, I've done my research online, but it would be really cool to hear like an actual professional's opinion on it. When I first started keto, you guys saw in week 1, I was literally like, I just need a jump start, and I know it's like a trendy diet, but I'm not on here being like, this is the way human beings were intended to eat, and this is what you guys should be doing. Not at all. This is just like me trying something out. All right, so I just wanted to check in with you guys and probably make a little snacky and do some stuff around the house. I just can't get over how cute she is. All right, let me show you guys the office. Be prepared. My office definitely has the potential to be really cute when it's clean, and it's not normally like this. Just putting it out there. I swear it's not normally like this. Someone just got a bath. You okay? All right, guys. What is that? So I'm gonna make some pre-workout, even though it's kind of late. I don't care. I have nothing else to do. I'm gonna go to the gym, turn on my music, do my cardio, and zone out. So this is the kind that I take. I got it at NutriShop. Hold on, the TV is hella loud. I was only taking it probably the first week I was doing keto, but I feel like I only take it now when I like need that extra oomph. So I filled the water up to about there. And then I'll just take a little scoop. And then you just shake it up. Oh, that would have been bad. And that's it. I also got some stuff off Amazon. One of my Twitter followers was recommending to me these 90-degree by Reflex leggings. You know, I was complaining about my leggings, like they like move down when I wear them. So supposedly these are good and they stay up. They had good reviews on Amazon. And then I also got some MCT oil. So I will use this in my coffee. And yeah, I just grabbed like the first one on Amazon that had the best reviews. Keto friendly. Well, I hope so. What's up, guys? It is 4th of July. I'm headed to my workout right now. I didn't even realize that it was 4th of July. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, honestly, like I just feel like chilling. Like I don't really feel like going out and doing anything, but I feel like obligated to for the sake of this vlog. So like pretend like I have like a social life, you know? Like I got a lot of unboxing, laundry to do. So like I'm just wondering when did I become this lame? I'm wearing my new Amazon leggings, and honestly they feel exactly like the Target C9 ones, except they have just like a different little sticker on the back, and they are kind of see-through, but I didn't even have time to change, so I'm like, what degree of see-through are we dealing with here? Wow, look at that. Yeah, bro.
Same thing you just did over there. Pull your chest through, pull yourself up, you step off, take your foot off first, don't let the thing fly up. Give me one more. This is the one that counts.
good after my workout. I had a good workout. I was feeling a little sluggish in the beginning, but I pulled it through. And oh yeah, I never put in my vlog because I don't know why, but after every workout I'm also stretching, so it's important. I want to try and make these keto fat bomb thingies. So I got my little mixer here. I don't really know how to use it. I hope this works, and let's get started. First it says to add 8 tablespoons of room temp butter. Next I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of stevia, which I did in the dumbest way possible, but it's all I had, so whatever. 1/2 teaspoon of this pure vanilla extract, and I got the one with no corn syrup added. The next ingredient it calls for is salt, and I can't believe it, you guys. This is the only salt that I have. So I'm like, is this like the 50s where I go like knock on my neighbor's door for some salt, or do I literally sit here for 5 minutes until I fill this bad boy up? Well, I did what I did. Next, the recipe calls for 2 cups of almond flour. I just found this one at Ralph's. Okay, now that I'm looking at the directions, I already did it wrong because I was supposed to beat the butter until light and fluffy first. My goodness, well, we're just gonna see what happens, won't we? I don't even know how to use this, and I don't even know if this is the right tool. Welcome to Crispy's Struggle Kitchen. Alright, we'll try this. Whoa! Yeah! What's happening? Oh, that doesn't look good. Wow. I don't know, guys. I think it might be working. Wow, it smells amazing, too. Oh my god, I figured it out! Gremlin, I figured it out! Okay, I am about to add in the chocolate chips, and we'll be on our way. These are unsweetened? I think so. I don't know, they were in like the healthy section at Ralph's, so I'm gonna add these, and it says to add 2/3 of a cup. Next it says to cover it with plastic wrap and leave it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. So I didn't have one of those little cookie scoopers, so I just kind of scooped it out with a spoon and rolled these little guys into balls. And it says you can refrigerate them or stick them in the freezer if you want. I am going to stick these in the freezer, and I mean, I may have snuck like a little piece of the dough, and woo, they are amazing. I can't wait to taste them when they're nice and cool. All right, they've been in the freezer for a little bit. Let's go ahead and give them a try. And I eat them in front of you. That'd be hella awkward. Trust me, I did the legwork. They're delicious, but definitely don't do what I did with the salt. These are like way too salty, but they're still good. I still gonna eat them. This is what I'm having for dinner. I don't know if it looks gross, but I took those noodles that I got last week from the health store, and then I put some egg, olive oil, bacon, tomato, spinach, and a little bit of garlic salt, and it is so good, you guys. This is like a pasta carbonara, and it is bomb diggity. So a lot of you have been recommending to me intermittent fasting to try in combination with keto, or just to try with, you know, whatever sort of diet plan. And to be honest, I was like, that does not sound appealing at all. Like, I just was not interested. And then this morning, I kind of realized, I was like, you know what? I kind of did the intermittent fasting yesterday because I ate my first meal around noon, and then I had my last meal around 8 p.m. And then so I was like, I woke up feeling kind of slim. So I think I'm gonna try it out for the rest of the week and just see how things go. I ate that whole pasta. Point is, I just ate a pretty big dinner. I think it's like 6 something. I'm gonna commit to doing it, I guess, for the rest of this vlog. I just put it out there, so yeah. What's up, guys? I'm headed down to the gym right now. So this morning I tested not in ketosis, negative, and by process of elimination I figured that it must have been the cookie dough balls. I used a different chocolate chip that was on the recipe, So that was probably it, or maybe the fact that I ate like half of them. You know, I don't really know what to say about that. So I had to throw them out this morning because this is why we can't have nice things. I told my trainer that I want to lose like 5 pounds this week. And I was like, I don't care what it is. I don't care if it's water weight. I don't care if it's actual fat. I just want to see the scale go down. And he was like, that's like the most irritating thing I've ever heard. And I was like, oh, I'm sorry, the scale. You guys, I think the more and more I keep going and like the more I have like physical results, I feel better, my clothes are fitting better, I think the less obsessed I'm gonna be with the scale. Like my goal is I want to be able to wear shorts comfortably. Like I think it's cool to make goals around that kind of stuff, and I think that's kind of fun to think about, like the stuff you're gonna wear, how cute you're gonna look. Like I want to have abs and a big butt and no cellulite and like wear shorts and look hella cute. Like those are actually my goals. Just leaving the gym. I had a really good workout today. Like I only have a few hours left of time that I can eat, so I don't want to I want to feel good today, so I'm not gonna, I don't know what I'm saying. There's this health food store and they have it in LA. I don't know if they have it anywhere else, but it's called Erewhon, whatever. I want to go there right now and see if I can find the dark chocolate chips that I need for that cookie dough recipe. This lady's blowing it! I actually feel kind of bad for honking at that lady. Chips that they used in the recipe on Instagram, which is these ones, the lilies, but it doesn't look that different than the ones that I used. It says that these ones have 9 grams of carbohydrates, dietary fiber 4, and then it says erythritol 3 grams, protein 1 gram. Compared to the one that I used, it says 8 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of dietary fiber, 5 grams of sugar. That must be it. Also, I'm gonna pick up some organic stevia, not in the packets. That'll be helpful next time I want to make a little recipe. They have lots of like interesting sweeteners. There's coconut sugar, date sugar, monk fruit sweetener. Like I'm like, we'll pick up a treat for Grammy too. This is my salad. I made it with that grass-fed organic ground beef. I added some cheese, sour cream, guac, tomatoes, and jalapenos, and then I have some iceberg lettuce and spinach underneath, and then I'm having it with sparkling water. What's up, guys? It's Friday. It's about 7:30. I woke up to some pretty shitty news this morning. I have some family stuff that's going on that's weighing pretty heavy on me. So this morning was kind of like a rough start. I did make it to the gym today and had a really good workout. I did some I did the row machine for I did it for 20 minutes in intervals. And then I did just walking on the treadmill real slow, relaxed for another 20 minutes. It was like 40 minutes of cardio, and then I stretched. So it was good. I got a good sweat in. This morning though, I ate a huge breakfast, 3 egg omelet, cheese, bacon, 2 cups of coffee. And then I entered it into my Fitness Pal and it said that it was 1,500 calories. So I'm like, that's my total daily allowance. I don't even know how many calories I'm supposed to be eating right now, but it's probably 1,600. I know you can eat a little bit more when you work out, but it's I still want to be in a calorie deficit. I really wish I could have a a glass of wine or like 4 or 5, you know. Even though things aren't perfect, I feel really good knowing that I'm giving this my all and that I'm devoting my energy to something positive that's gonna help me and hopefully help other people. I'm gonna go to sleep early tonight so that I don't get hungry. Oh my god, people are gonna be like, you're starving yourself. I'm like, listen, it's intermittent fasting. I want to get to the gym again tomorrow and just keep crushing throughout the weekend. Yeah, that's like all I have to say right now, but I will check in tomorrow. I'm like, good night. It's like still light out. Say hi, Grammy. Gosh, I'm so obsessed with this animal. Like, what's up, guys? I just finished up my workout and I wanted to update you because I have officially decided that intermittent fasting is not for me. Like, I've been hella hungry and miserable like this whole week basically. I feel really good. I just wrapped up a little workout. I didn't go too hard today. I'm looking forward to taking tomorrow off. And I think I'm gonna have dinner with my brother tonight and have a drink or two because, you know, I need to live a little bit. I've been so antisocial in favor of this diet in the intermittent fasting. Like, literally people have been like, what are you doing? I'm like, well, I'm trying to go to bed at 9 p.m. so that I don't eat anything, and it's not worth it. So no more of that. I get a call from Alan. He's like, there's something wrong with Gremlin. You need to come home. She's throwing up. She can barely stand straight. And like, Alan and I are both like really, really freaking out. So we take her to the emergency animal hospital. So then, like, this is hours and hours of us like waiting in this waiting room. And then finally the doctor comes back in and he says she tested positive for THC toxicosis. I was both pissed and relieved to know that it was nothing more serious, but still pissed because poor Gremlin, like, she was just stoned to the bone. Either way though, I was just like drained because I had wine at dinner and I was like emotionally drained from worrying about my little Gremlin. And I actually ended up eating like fat burger really late at night, but of course without the bun. I just like ate the burger and it was whatever. And so I wasn't sure how much I was going to weigh in on Sunday morning. But when I weighed myself, I was 197.8. So on the previous Sunday, I was 201.8. So that means it's a total weight loss of 4 pounds this week. My total weight loss now is 15 pounds in 5 weeks. I'm feeling really good. I want to have another good week this week. I'm also glad that I found balance last week of like, I did go out and have dinner and have a couple glasses of wine and I still lost weight. So I think that's like the perfect balance. So thank you guys for watching as always. Let me know what you want to see more of. As always, I feel like I didn't show like everything that I'm eating. Maybe I'll do that in next week's vlog if you guys think that's more helpful. Sometimes I'm just not sure if I'm like, is this kind of repetitive or is it boring? Or sometimes I'm embarrassed because I'm eating like hella bacon and shit. I don't know. But yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I see your messages and your comments and it means so much to me. So I'm so glad that I'm finally doing this and I'm not going to give up. And I just know that all of the hard work and sacrifices are going to pay off. So I'm really excited. And yeah, I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye. P.S. you guys, I want you to know that Gremlin is fine. That will never happen again. I took it very seriously and I hated to see her like that. She's okay and that'll never happen again.